In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms. Right here, you can see your recent forms. I don't have any yet. Right here, your pre-made templates. Click on blank. This is how some teachers make their quizzes back in high school. Right here, you put a form description, like just quiz. Right here, you would put a question. This you could import questions. This would be to add a title and description. You can add an image, a video, or a section right here. And this you can customize the theme, preview it, go to settings, you can collect emails, you can press require sign in, and you can check to see if they can edit after submit. We don't want that though. Presentation, you can see the progress bar. You can shuffle the question order. For quizzes, you can make this a quiz and assign points to the questions. You can release the grade immediately after the submission, or later after, if you want to review it. You can check these out to see the point value. The test taker can see the point values, correct answers, or missed questions. You press save right there. And then you would send right here via email, or you can make it a link, or you can embed it.